Karnataka government offers numerous schemes for students focusing on financial aid, education, and skill development. Key programs include the Yuva Nidhi scheme, unemployment support for graduates, farmer child scholarship, Raita Vidya Nidhi, Vidya Siri, food or accommodation support, and Arivu education loan scheme. These target school and college students, particularly from disadvantaged backgrounds. Top student schemes in Karnataka. Yuva Nidhi scheme provides rupees 3000 per month for unemployed graduates and rupees 1500 per month for unemployed diploma holders who passed in 2023. Chief Minister Raita Vidya Nidhi, Farmer Child Scholarship, financial assistance for higher education to children of farmers. Vidyasri Food and Accommodation Scholarship VFAS offers rupees 1500 monthly for 10 months to students from backward classes for post matric studies. Arivu Education Loan Scheme KMDC provides loans up to rupees 50,000 per year for ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ನವ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣಕ್ಕೆ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರ. ಯುವ ನಿಧಿ ಪದವೀಧರ ನಿರುದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಸಿಕ ರು 3000 ಹಾಗೂ ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಪದವೀಧರ ನಿರುದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಸಿಕ ರು 1500 ನಿರುದ್ಯೋಗ ಭತ್ಯೆ. ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಸಿಇಟಿ ಆರ್ ಎನ್ಇಇಟಿ ಟು minority students. Post matric scholarships, backward classes, pre matric and post matric hostels and financial aid. Sir C.V. Raman Scholarship, merit based stipend of rupees 5000 per year for undergraduate BSc students. Full fee reimbursement for girls provided for female students in government UG or PG colleges. Overseas Educational Loan Scheme, assistance for minority students pursuing higher education abroad. Welfare and other benefits. Karnataka State Students Welfare Fund provides medical aid up to rupees 50,000 and bravery awards. Special scholarships, HIV or leprosy affected scholarships, and scholarships for meritorious girl students. Key departments and portals. Social Welfare Department manages hostels and special schemes. Backward Classes Welfare Department BCWD Karnataka handles Vidyasri and post matric scholarships. E-Pass Karnataka main portal to apply for various welfare and scholarship schemes. Directorate of Minorities manages minority education loans.